Hello guys. So as I was saying,
Head east toward 12th
I bought a new microphone for my videos on YouTube. Hopefully you are hearing me better. I'm going to test it these days to see how it will record the sound and how the sound it will be. What you're going to hear, if you're going to hear all the noise from the cab or not. So please, in the next days, leave me a comment and tell me if my sound from my videos improved or not, and if you are happy about my new microphone, my new mic. Yeah. So I just wanted to let you know that as I promised, I kept my promise, and I bought a new microphone. Not a new one, the first one, actually. Yeah, I bought the microphone that I will going to use from now on to record my videos for YouTube.
In 1 mile, take the ramp on the right.
I was home
I-29 south toward Fargo.
a couple of good days, almost 2 weeks. I needed that because I was on the road
In 50 feet, turn left toward north.
since Eastern. So from Eastern to August, I think it's enough. But now I started again. It's 10th, 11, August 11. And I'm going to Laredo, Texas, with a load from Portage La Prairie. French fries for frozen French fries for Mexico. But I'm dropping the load in Texas, in Laredo, just at the border with Mexico. So like, subscribe, don't forget to comment, and see you in my next videos. Bye guys, take care, bye bye.